Anypoint security policies for Edge. Here you can see Anypoint security policies for Edge. Anypoint security features high performance, reliable, and scalable service that works with Anypoint runtime fabric to enforce security policies on nodes deployed on your Anypoint runtime fabric. Anypoint security provides denial of service (DOS), IP allow lists, HTTP limits, and web application firewall (WAF) policies to protect your APIs. You can use Anypoint security policies to manage all traffic to a runtime fabric, and leverage API manager policies to apply specific behavior to specific APIs. Anypoint security policies then act as a default router capability through which all traffic traverses. Threat detection and prevention, content attack prevention, HTTP header and message limit checks, denial of service, IP allow list, access advanced TLS, for example certificate pinning and CRL, basic TLS, for example mutual TLS, SSL termination, API policies that are configured in API manager and running through API gateway give you capability to further customize or extend certain limitations you are applying at the Mule application level. This layer of security provides the same control as any API manager policy offers. For example, basic TLS, for example, mutual TLS, SSL termination, rate limiting, OAuth, authorization and accounting, AAA, DOS policy are designed to protect your network nodes against malicious client trying to flood your network to prevent legitimate traffic to your APIs. IP allow list policy create IP address allow list policy to configure an explicit list of IP addresses that can access your deployed endpoint. HTTP limits policy, HTTP limits policies prevent attacks from clients that send large messages that can consume all your processing bandwidth. WAF policy, WS policies provide open web application security project OWASP core rule set for checking requests and responses to detect common web application attacks. Here you can see runtime fabric and endpoint security are in Anypoint platform. Endpoint security, DOS policy, IP whitelist, HTTP limits policy. Endpoint security is connected to API policy, rate limit throttling here, and API policy is connected to Mule application. Here the Endpoint security is connected to API policy, IP whitelist, and it is connected to Mule application. Here Anypoint security is connected to API policy, custom policy, and it is connected to Mule application. Endpoint security, API policy and Mule policies and Mule applications are in runtime fabric here, and runtime fabric is in Anypoint platform. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.